All right, baby. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox That Wheel. And man, oh man, am I excited to unbox this wheel. This is officially Canada's biggest wheel. This is a 30 by 16 Forgiato Terra. Let's open this box up. I've been waiting to open this up for the camera, for the fans, for my followers, my subscribers, my people. Much love to all of you guys. Let's open this up and see how cool these 30 by 16s are in person. All right, now, so these here are 30 by 16 Forgiatos. They're about $50,000. And we're gonna show you guys what $50,000 gets you in the wheel game. I cut this like a steak, baby. Wheels are too big, gotta unpackage this. You guys can see that massive width that we're exposing right now. Holy smokes. Holy How the am I gonna lift this rim, bro? This is crazy. Holy smokes. Holy All right, guys, so this is the 30 by 16, Canada's largest wheel. Full polish, and of course, baby, we got those floater caps, because if you ain't floating, then you're joking. All right, baby, so let's get back to it over here. We got the super deep dish. We got the concave faces. We got the Forgiato Terra forged. If you guys want this kind of stuff, baby, we are Canada's only source providing the top line wheels, the top line finishes, and of course, the top line deals. Like I said, baby, if you ain't spinning, then you ain't winning. So if you want to be a winner, come on over here and be a spinner.